Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and having fun in your life. Today we'll discuss a very basic yet very important topic of English, which is the articles. Articles are used to modify nouns. There are three articles: a, an, and the or the. Guys, where we use the and where we use the, we'll learn about. So guys, we use the with the words which are starting with vowels, and remember we add an extra y before the next word, using before the next word, y to start the next word, and the pronunciation will add a y while pronouncing the next word. The apple, or the umbrella, the umbrella. So this is a very important concept, that we will add a y before the vowel, before the next word. So it will change the pronunciation of the next word. And remember that will not give a space in pronunciation, in pronouncing the and the next word. It will become the same word, the apple, the apple. So with the consonants, the words with which starts with consonants, we'll use the big guy, the tree, the cup. Guys, there are two types of article: definite and indefinite, indefinite. Definite and indefinite. We'll use the word the with the definite or with the specific words. Let's suppose we're pointing to a boy in class, the boy who is captain of soccer team or football team. Because we are referring to a specific boy who is captain of the soccer team, we'll use the word the boy, the boy. So indefinite, we use a and an with general words, a boy in the class. Now we're not referring to a specific boy, we're just referring to a boy, any boy, maybe a class of 20 boys. So we are referring to one of the boy, a boy in the class. We do not mentioning any specific boy, or an apple in the basket. So this is the concept of definite or indefinite. With definite we use the, and with indefinite we use a and an, a boy, an apple in the basket. Guys, where we use a and where we'll use an, this is very important to understand. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet: a, e, I, o, u, and 21 consonants. With the words starting with a, e, I, o, u, normally we use an, but it is very important to understand that we use an with the words which begin with vowel and which creates the sound of vowel. Okay, this is very important to remember, that those words which creates the sound of vowel will use an. So here is example: an umbrella, u is vowel; an onion, o is vowel; an apple, a is vowel; an hour, here h is not vowel, h is consonant, but hour is producing the sound of vowel, an hour. So we'll use an with hour, because hour begins with a vowel, with the sound of vowel sound. So we'll use an hour. And we'll use a with the words which begin with consonant sound. The examples: a horse, a cup of tea, a dog, a university. Now this is a special case. A European customer, this is also a special case, because a university starts with a vowel, European starts with a vowel, but these two words, both these words produce the sound of consonant, which produce consonant sound. So we use a with these: a university, a European customer. So guys, this ends our topic today. Thank you for watching.